What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it is like 9:30 in the morning right now. I usually wake up around 8 something, but I slept in like crazy today. I was up till like midnight watching Phineas and Ferb, so that's probably why. But I just made breakfast, so obviously you guys know the deal. We are doing what I eat in a day. It's gonna be very realistic because since quarantine, I have not been eating as well. I haven't been consistent with working out. And I've just been really struggling with like self-confidence in my body lately. So a few days ago, I just realized like a lot of the meals I make aren't bad, but it's like the snacking. And that's what really gets me because I love hot Cheetos, I love chips, and that's just not good for my body and it's not helping my case because since quarantine I just haven't been the same me. So I'm really trying to work back into getting into my groove. So these kind of videos hold me accountable because I have to show you guys what I eat, and I don't want to show you guys I'm eating hot Cheetos all day. So it's realistic because these are things that I eat, but it is a healthier version because I'm really trying to get back on that journey of eating just strictly healthy. Another big reason I wanted to do this is because it's not even just eating bad, because when I cook meals here, I cook things that are pretty much healthy, but I've been eating out so much this semester. And I think that's because of this quarantine situation too. Like, I'm just inside all the time and I'm just like lazy. I don't feel like cooking, so it's just convenient to call and order food. But my last grocery store trip, I was like very determined to get healthy things, get ingredients that would force me to cook. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna be showing you what I eat throughout the day. So as you guys saw, I'm eating scrambled eggs and toast. I do put the I can't believe it's not butter on my toast, and I'm drinking tea. I've been drinking tea so much more lately than coffee because I just don't want to carry the big jug of coffee. Like, I walk from the grocery store, I don't drive, and it's only like a 10-minute hill, but still, like, I carry this big bag of groceries and I don't want to carry the giant jug of Starbucks coffee. And I had a whole bunch of tea packets already in my pantry, so I've just been using that. Also, if you hear me, I'm like kind of stuffy, I sound gross, it's just because of the allergies, and that's another reason why I keep drinking this tea, is because I am just not feeling the best for the past few weeks now, and that's just because the weather's changing and it's not on my side. Okay, so it is 12 o'clock. I just got out of my first class for the day, and I'm really craving a salad. So I'm gonna show you what I put in my salads normally. So I usually use either romaine or spinach or a mix of both. Today I have romaine with me. I did make some chicken the other day, and I just put salt and pepper on it on top of the stove. So I'm gonna shred up these pieces and put that on. I've been using this balsamic vinaigrette. This is so good, guys. Like, this is so good. I love it. And then I have some hard-boiled eggs that I made yesterday, so I'm just going to use one and cut that up and put that in my salad. And I do like a little crunch, so I'm going to put some croutons on as well. This is the finished product. I just want to point out that I am the hard-boiled egg queen.
Okay.
And that's the facts. Look how perfectly yellow this is. So it is 2:45 right now, and I'm hungry again. I just want a little snack. So I'm gonna make some pierogies, which is not the healthiest thing in the world, but it's quick. And like I told you guys, I'm being very raw and real with what I eat. So this is something that I just got like a few days ago at the grocery store as like a little snack. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of these. These are just the Mrs. T pierogies. They are pretty high in sodium, so they're not the best for you. But I put a little bit of the I can't believe it's not butter in the pan, and then I'm just going to cook them on the stovetop. So I let these sit on the pan for like 5 minutes on each side on a medium heat, and then I sprinkle some pink Himalayan salt on top. I'm just here to remind you guys that if you are trying to eat healthier, or if you're trying to become consistent with your workouts, it's going to be like a lifestyle change, and it's going to take a lot of work. Obviously, I'm not happy about where my health is at right now, where my body's at right now, and I'm trying to work toward eating healthier. However, you just see me eat pierogies. So obviously, it is a transition, and you do have to work hard at it. So I just want to remind you guys that if you are trying to be healthier, but it's Friday night and you want pizza, that's okay. For me, I don't believe in counting macros. I don't think it's healthy for me because I know I will stress myself out about it. For me, it's more about feeling good and putting mainly healthy things into my body, but I'm not gonna not let myself eat something that I want. So if I'm craving hot wings on a Saturday, I'm gonna let myself do it. As long as I'm eating healthy overall, I think that's where I'll feel best about myself. So just a reminder to all you girlies who are like wanting to be healthy but also are struggling, it's okay. We are all on the same page. It is a process. Just a reminder. It is now around 5:30. I'm gonna eat in about an hour because I want a baked potato, and that takes like an hour in the air fryer. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna do like my 30-minute workout, and then for the remainder of the 30 minutes, we will work on making shrimp and broccoli. So for the baked potato, all you have to do is rub olive oil on it and poke holes in it with either a knife or a fork. And then I put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 55 minutes. So it takes about an hour. So I just finished my workout. We have the baked potato in the air fryer, and then we have the shrimp defrosting. So I get raw frozen shrimp, and it says to defrost it by running cold water over it for like 5 to 7 minutes. So when this is done, we're gonna put this on the stove, and then we're also making broccoli. So I drizzle a little bit of olive oil into the pan for the shrimp, and then these are the seasonings that I put on top. So I finished dinner. I feel very good right now, but I am full. So normally I don't eat after 9 p.m. and right now it's 7. So if I do get hungry in between now and 9 p.m., I usually just eat like a peanut butter sandwich, or I eat a pack of fruit and nut mix, something like that. But like I said, I'm feeling good. So I think I'm tied over for the rest of the night. I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.